Hey you, how's it going? Hey you, what's up? How are you doing? Blessings and love and light and abundance to you, wonderful souls. Excuse me, fist bump. Excuse me. Choking on myself. Give me a second. Let me get some water, guys. All right, guys. Let's not waste any more time. Thank you for being here with me, my blessed, beautiful souls. So my name is Kiara Ducasse, and you are here with Crypto Bliss. Thank you for being here. Thanks for watching the channel. I appreciate you guys greatly. So today we are going to be speaking about awesomeness across the board. Make sure to stay tuned right to the end of the video so that you get the full action of what we're about to do and what project we're about to talk about. I am invested in this project. I do own quite a bit of the project, not as much as I'd like. I'm nowhere near my goal of loading my bags yet, but I'm on the way there. So thank you very much for that. And thank you for me to invest in myself, because this is investing in yourself, guys. But the point is to invest in yourself timelessly at the right time, DCA at the right time, exit at the right time, and make sure that you're just making more crypto and essentially building your net value and your net asset value for yourself and your family. So thanks for being here. If you guys want to trade this with me, I have a buy button link down below, and you can buy it on spot, you can buy it on leverage. The choice is yours. But at the end of the day, there is a lot of awesome funds and finance to be made from this market. So make sure that you are getting yourself into at least Bitcoin at the very least. And yes, that is financial advice, but nothing else on this video or any of my videos is financial advice. Bitcoin is solid, sound money. And it's proven that already now for the past 13, 14 years, okay, as being the oldest cryptography or crypto on the internet. So, okay, well, guys, what are we going to be talking about today? Well, let's go and have a look. We are going to be talking about Hbar, hedera hash graph, Hbar. I love this project. It's amazing, amazing, amazing. It's ranked 35. That's its logo. That's its name. And that's its ticker. We're down 2.5% for the day. We're sitting at about 5.6 cents. We're on 161,000 people's watch list. Now, guys, let me give you some perspective, okay? Yes, this might not be everybody that knows Hbar or Hashbar, etc. But if there are 8 billion people in the world, divided by 161,434, that is the maximum amount of coins anybody could ever own. And if everybody on the earth had to own the exact same amount, that would be the bag. Now, my personal accumulation bag is probably around 250,000. Is that right? Yeah, 250,000. So I will get there at some point, but I'm not there. I'm probably more along that. No, I got a lot more than that. I'm probably around 5,000. Yeah, I've got about 5,000 more or less coins of Hbar. I would love to build my portfolio, but I add to different pockets at different times, because that's what crypto is about, making sure that you DCA at the right times, guys. So let's go and have a look at this. We're sitting at a $1.7 billion market cap, 29 million in trading volume, and a 2.8 billion fully diluted valuation. There's 50 billion coins and 31.3 are already in circulation. The highest market cap value was was 6.5 billion. So it's still small, because right now we're sitting at like 1/4 of that. And yeah, just over 1/4, just under 1/4. Okay. The previous all-time high was at 56 cents, which we're down 90% from, which makes sense because that's a 10x then. So just to the previous all-time highs, we would have a fat, juicy 10x. Where can you buy this coin? You can buy it on Binance. You can buy it on most of these exchange platforms. And essentially what I want to look for is how does this actually work? And how do you use the market cap to your advantage? So if that is the case, let's go and first have a look at what the website is and what Hbar is all about. I must actually tag this. And basically, they have all of this here. Guys can come and read and do your own research. I have done another video on Hbar before. You can go and check that out in the link above there. It should pop up on one of the links. So the open source public ledger for builders, creators, and enterprises. Okay, so powering and DeFi. Powering and sustainability, apparently. So powering native and web NFTs and CBDCs. Oh my goodness me. Oh, and identity. Open source public ledger for everyone. Wow. So powering native Web3 ecosystems and institutional applications for the next generation of Web. So you can see here that there have been just over 2 million mainnet accounts created, 76.5 million transactions in the last 24 hours. That's huge, guys. 5.64 seconds to consensus finality, average cost per transaction, and average kilowatt per transaction. Okay, so it's very, very powerful, and it's a responsibly governed decentralized network. An open source public network governed by leading organizations around the world. The Hedera Governing Council is decentralized and transparent governing body of independent global organizations consisting of enterprises, Web3 projects, and prestigious universities. So this is the Governing Council. You can see Boeing, Chainlink, you see? Chainlink again, guys. DBS, Dell, Dentons, Deutsche Telekoms, DLA, EDF, EFTPOS, First, Google, IBM, Madras, LG, LCE, Magalu, Nomura. Wow, guys. Ubisoft, UCL, Wipro, Zane, Swirlin, Standard Bank. Standard Bank is a South African bank. So with application ecosystems and standards built by the developer community, it is huge. So this is the developer community. So you can see that there's also magical projects in there. And Hedera is just absolutely beautiful. It's DeFi, NFTs, decentralized identity. So manage decentralized identity in a secure, standards-based, and privacy-respecting manner. Payments, sustainability. So there's decentralized logs, sustainability payments, and Hello Future applications powered by Hedera. So from innovative Web3 ecosystems to Fortune 500 companies, developers are building the next generation of Web3 Hedera. So you can swap, you can hashport, and you can use the market. The marketplace there. Okay, so this project is incredible, guys. It's low cost, immediate settlement, massively scalable, fairest access and ordering, and it has an EVM tooling and libraries. Carbon negative commitment, Hedera, and you can go and see, I can't really see, that's Binance, Solana. So you can see like Hedera is way cheaper than any of the other blockchains here. Now you know why. We love this project, okay? And it's carbon neutrality energy. So if you guys want to go and have a look at them, go and check them out on these social media pages, and yeah, I guess enjoy them. Let's go and have a look at the chart quickly. So currently on the chart, we are sitting way down here, almost pretty much at the bottom levels. We've come to the oversold RSI on the weekly. So we're coming to basically reset. So we could essentially see something that does this and then back up there for a breakout. And why I'm saying that is because this, look at this line here. Okay, if I had to just draw a nice straight line from that top to that top. Okay, this was a breakout. So we broke out, we hit the top. Of course, we must hit resistance. Look at that level of resistance right there. Okay, so of course we're going to hit that. And of course, we need to pull back a little bit. It makes sense, doesn't it, to pull back to the breakout zone. That's what trading is about. Okay, then now, once we've retested, we smash here, maybe hover up a little bit and then break through. We probably will get to about that level because you can see there on the left-hand side that there's a bit of resistance. Then retest and then bounce back up, and that will be the first target zone of Hedera. And you can see there's a lot of resistance there. So I would probably say that it's going to hit that hard, but you know, what do you do? You just take some profits and you walk away, and But I hope you guys are investing in this project for the absolute long run, because this project has got a lot of heavyweight titles behind it, as you can see. And if we even just had to get back up here to the previous all-time high, you would have 800% your gains. Now, I do believe it has a lot more upside than that. My personal views will see about a $5 hedera or hash graph. What does that look like for us? Well, that's 100x from where we are today. So if we had to 100x, that would basically give us a $170 billion market cap. That is still, that is still absolutely tiny in comparison to what the entire crypto market is doing. And this is one of the most phenomenal projects in crypto, guys. I can assure you and tell you that. And they have built themselves exponentially, especially with all of those partners that we were speaking about all the way up here. Okay, look at all these partners. I mean, these are huge partners, guys. Google in itself is like 1/3 of the world. I'm just, not really, but yes. Okay, so it is massive. Okay, so for me, $5 is an easy target. And if we really had to look at what $5 would look like from where we're at today, essentially that would give us, there you go. There's a $5 price. Okay, that's a 12,000% gain. Okay, so if you invested $100 today, when it hits that high, $5, you would have $12,000. Yes, you heard me. Okay, that is absolutely awesome. Why wouldn't you do that, guys? Like, seriously, put the money away and forget about it for now and come back later and say, oh shit, my $100 is worth $12,000 now. And I'll end that video at 12 minutes. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and go and hit that Bybit link down below and trade this with me. Buy it on spot, store it in your hardware wallet, and earn some passive income, guys. Love you lots. Thanks for being here.